Top 5 Best Budgeting Apps that can actually help you save money in 2025. Take control of your finances with these free and paid options. Hey there, welcome back to the Finance Formula, your go-to spot for simple, smart, and effective ways to handle your money. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by your finances, trust me, you're not alone. But today, we're going to change all that. We're diving into the world of budgeting apps, the apps that are here to make your life way easier, track your spending, and help you hit your financial goals. Let's get into it. So here's the deal. Managing your finances doesn't have to be rocket science. In fact, with the right tools, it can actually be fun. Yup, I said fun. Let's take a look at some of the top budget apps you need to check out in 2025. 1. Mint, the all-in-one budgeting beast. First up, we've got Mint, probably the most popular budgeting app out there. It's like the Swiss Army knife of money management. Why? Because Mint does it all. You can track your spending, create budgets, set savings goals, and even check your credit score, all from one app. Talk about a financial assistant. And the best part? It's free. Mint syncs with your bank accounts and credit cards, automatically categorizing your transactions. It's a huge time saver, and it makes budgeting a breeze. It's like having a personal accountant in your pocket. Who doesn't want that? 2. YNAB. You need a budget. For serious budgeters. Next up is YNAB, short for You Need a Budget. Now, YNAB is for those of you who are serious about budgeting and want a more hands-on approach. This one helps you plan for every dollar. It's all about being intentional with your money. But fair warning, YNAB isn't free. It comes with a subscription, but trust me, it's worth every penny if you're looking for detailed control over your finances. YNAB helps you build a budget based on your income, set clear financial goals, and even carry over unused money from month to month. So, if you want to get serious about saving and tackling debt, this app is a game changer. And hey, if you stick with it, you'll see your financial goals actually get done. 3. Pocket Guard, the simple budgeting solution. Now, if you're looking for something a little more straightforward, let me introduce you to Pocket Guard. This app is for the folks who want to manage their spending without all the fuss. It helps you keep track of your bills and see how much disposable income you have left after your essential expenses. Perfect for those of us who just need to stop overspending. Pocket Guard's free version does the trick for basic budgeting, but there's also a paid version with extra features. One of the coolest things about it, it'll actually suggest ways to save money based on your spending habits. How cool is that? 4. Good Budget. The envelope system remained. If you are into the envelope budgeting system, you'll love Good Budget. This app takes the traditional envelope method, where you assign a certain amount of money to each category and makes it digital. It's perfect for anyone who prefers cash-based budgeting but wants to move away from physical envelopes. You can even share budgets with family members. So if you're planning a big family trip or need to budget together, this app has you covered. Good Budget is free, but they do offer a paid version with extra features like syncing across multiple devices. So if you've got a partner or spouse that likes to see the same budget, no worries, you're all set. 5. Every Dollar, budgeting made simple. Last but definitely not least, we have Every Dollar. If you want an app that's super easy to use and straight to the point, Every Dollar is for you. It's built around the famous zero-based budgeting method, meaning you give every dollar a job, even if that job is saving for next month. Every Dollar comes with a free version, which is awesome for beginners. But if you want to link your bank accounts and have things done automatically, there's a paid version that makes things even smoother. So, there you have it. 5 awesome apps to help you take control of your finances in 2025. Whether you're a budgeting newbie or finance pro, there's an app here that's perfect for you. If you like this video, smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tips on managing your money and living your best financial life. And hey, drop a comment below telling me which app you're most excited to try. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay financially fabulous.